Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 15. Verily, you yourself know yourself by yourself, O Purushottama, Supreme Purusha, O Source of beings, O Lord of beings, O God of gods, O ruler of the world.
Chapter 10, Shloka 15. Swayam yevatmanatmanam vetatvam purushottama bhudavavana bhutesha devadeva jagatpate.
Chapter 10, Shloka 15. If none can know the truth, why is Arjuna asking Krishna to explain? What exactly is the special quality that enables him to explain that which none else can even know? Lord Krishna can explain the Supreme, which is not known to even those living in the higher or the lower kingdoms. The self is the subject, and it cannot be known as an object by any instruments with which we come to know the world of objects and beings, irrespective of the condition of the instrument. The self being awareness, it in itself is knowledge, and to know knowledge, no other knowledge is necessary. Like the sun is light, and to see it, no separate light is required. So Arjuna states that you yourself know yourself by yourself. Arjuna is glorifying Lord as pure Brahman by addressing Lord as the source of beings, the Lord of beings, the Deva of Devas, and the ruler of the world. The essential stuff in all objects and beings is the self, the ruler and maintainer of qualities, like the quality of gold rules over all the qualities of the various instruments, whatever be their shape, design, polish, etc. Since an awareness or a knowledge is possible only when the thoughts are illumined by the pure consciousness, without consciousness we know nothing or anything. So it is most glorious or the supreme self. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.